Hey everybody, Mattie here, TGIF once again. Just wanted to make a quick video because I could tell by kind of the original shape of this parcel I received in the mail. It is indeed the day on this Friday, coming up on December, off the heels of a new all-time high for Bitcoin. I've also received my CRO crypto.com Visa card, so very, very happy. I've been a user for the longest time of the app. I've talked about that on a regular basis. I've shared that with you guys. Finally here, I have the card that I can now also employ. Again, optimizing your game in this space is so important. And so let's open this puppy up. There you go, the signature packaging as well as the tear label here. I'm not sure which side it's coming out, to be honest. I want to get it right. You can only do the unboxing once, right? There you go. Logo of the lion, the king of the jungle, the king of, as far as I'm concerned, crypto ecosystems. So I ordered, let's take a look. Actually, I'll reveal the card that I ordered. It's on this side. There it is. Check that out. Crypto.com CRO Indigo Visa card. One thing I've been dying to check out is, let's take it out of the packaging here. Oh yeah, I mean, you can tell right away that has a little bit of heft to it. It has a nice metallic card. I've seen a lot of these. By the way, I'm not afraid to show my name. Obviously, my name isn't Mattie. I wasn't named Mattie in the hospital. For all I care, look me up on LinkedIn. I'm pretty active. Not so much on Twitter, but on LinkedIn. So there you go. There's my name. What I was going to say is that on all of sort of the unboxing, the review videos, you get a sense of the fact that, yeah, there's some weight to it, but I've never heard the clink. So very specifically, I brought my keys out for this reason. I want you guys to be able to hear that. That's a solid piece of kit right there. Big love, by the way, to all the Harley riders out there. So this is, again, something I've been waiting a long time to check out. I think the next step that I'm looking to do is maybe we can do a walkthrough perhaps of the app itself. I can walk you guys through my functionality, my use of it, what I'm earning, what I'm staking, what I'm supercharging. As much as possible, this is my excuse to get further into the space and to take advantages of the offers that are out there. So just a very short video today. I wanted to share this with you guys. I cannot wait to start using it. I'm going to activate it right away. I'm going to do that privately. Let's take a look at the card itself on the website here just to do a quick comparison. I'll share my thoughts about that. Of course, with the acquisition of your new crypto.com Visa card, you also get this somewhat personalized welcome message about welcoming you into the community with a signature by Chris Marcellik, whose AMA I hope you guys caught the other day on Thursday. But and the nice thing about being part of the Canadian, I guess, list of recipients here is that you also get the message in French, which we speak here in my home province of Quebec. J'ai le plaisir de vous présenter votre carte Visa MCO. All right. Now I'm feeling like a region-specific kind of recipient. I love it. I love it. Excellent. All right, guys, here we are on the crypto.com website. We're in the cards section, taking a look at the different cards that are available and their features correspondingly. That obsidian black card is certainly the aspirational goal. Once I'm comfortable with actually my Royal Indigo, I'm going to actually go for this next tier of card. The frosted rose gold is okay, but I like the icy white. That's going to be my next card. Candidly, I just have to save up and basically acquire a little more CRO. But here's my card right now, Royal Indigo. It certainly does the job. Let's take a look at some of the features that it has to offer. As you can see here, to acquire this card, you need to have 25,000 CRO staked. And in case there's any confusion about staking, staking is effectively just lending your CRO into the ecosystem. It's not to say that you're spending that amount of CRO. So 25,000 right now amounts to a couple $1,000s, a few $1,000s, but you get that back ultimately. And what's important is that it allows you to earn additional stake on the other crypto that you stake in the earn feature of the app itself, which is something I'm going to dive a little bit more deeply into in a subsequent video. I'll follow up and I'll give you a sense of what it is that I use the app for, how I use it. There's not only the earn, but the supercharger feature as well. That's something for another video. But as you can see here, for every dollar that you spend, you get 3% cash back in CRO rewards. So that's, to me, the main appeal is just this becomes a functional pragmatic card that you can use, take all your spending habits and basically apply it to this card and get rewarded in cryptocurrency. So there's not much of a shift as far as your habits. It's just a win-win situation. And again, by staking, you're getting that back. Ultimately, if you want that CRO back, you're just lending it into the system, providing it liquidity. The ecosystem grows as a result, and you get to enjoy increased staking benefits as far as your percentage APY. With this tier of card, I'm also getting 100% reimbursement for my Spotify and my Netflix subscription, which is great. As you can see, some of the features of that next tier up, the Icy White card, are pretty appealing too. 5% cash back. You also get the Prime membership, some additional bonuses as well. So that's kind of my aspiration. I'll get there eventually, but check out the website, guys, for a breakdown. As I've been saying, you've got to know your habits, your tendencies as a consumer, and you got to pick the corresponding card that works best for you ultimately. And one day, that Obsidian Black, I'm telling you, one day, that is the goal. All right, guys, thanks for indulging me. I got to do a little bit of show and tell here today. If you're Canadian like myself, it's just nice because, originally we were told that there was going to be a delay in the card delivery in the shipments. But actually, I got to say, crypto.com under-promised and over-delivered. I was told that, hey, it may only come in January or later. We can't be sure. And here they are, according to the roadmap, lining up with that in sync Q4 delivery. So it's just nice to have this to be able to now activate. Again, following a new all-time high for Bitcoin. It's good news all around. It's a nice feeling. So we'll do some follow-up work. Let me know in the comments below if you're a fellow Canadian, if you're also getting into whatever tier of the CRO crypto.com Visa card. I'm very excited, guys. Stay tuned for more news, and we'll catch you again soon. Take care.